Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to apply for second year or third year to take admission in different courses such as BSc IT, that is BSc Information Technology, or BCA Science, or BSc Computer Science, which means BCS, BCA Management, BVOC Multimedia and Animation, and many other university listed courses. If you are a student of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, or if your college is affiliated with this university, then this video will be helpful for you. So initially you need to visit on this URL bamu.aoa.digitaluniversity.ac. When you visit this URL, you will find this web page. You will have to scroll down this web page. Here you can read the instruction for existing or registered students of this university. It means these instructions are only for second year or third year student, those who have already enrolled for the BAMU University. So here you can click on the checkbox. Initially you will find it is unchecked. Then here you will click on this checkbox and click on the proceed button. Since you are already student of this university, you will have 16-digit enrollment number or PRN with you. So again you need to click on this checkbox, and in this text field you need to enter your 16-digit university enrollment number or PRN. Here I am going to enter one university PRN for student. Then after entering the student, you need to click on proceed button. Then later on you will find next web page. Here you are supposed to enter password in this text field. To enter a password, you need to read carefully these instructions. So your password will be your date of birth, which you need to enter in the format YYMMDD. Suppose your date of birth is 4th of November 1979, then you have to enter the password is 79 as a year. It means last two digits of your year, that is 79. Then month 11, for November month is 11 and date is 04. So here I will write the student's password. After entering password, you will have to click on this login button. So in this way, if you log in successfully, then you will find your profile in dashboard. Then later on, scroll down to this dashboard. Here you will find green button of apply online. You need to click on this apply online button. After clicking on apply online button, you will get this important message. So if you are a BCA Science regular students or BSc IT students, or if you are pursuing BVOC Multimedia and Animation or BA courses or numerous other courses, then that your appropriate course name will be listed over here. And to apply for second year, or if you want to apply for a third year, then you will find here green button, that is apply. You are supposed to click on this apply button. Then you need to select this radio button, that is medium of instruction is English. Then later on you will find the list of subjects that you will be learned at your second year or third year. If you are a student of second year, then you will find second year subjects of your appropriate courses, and if you are a student of third year, then you will find subjects of third year of your stream. So here initial I will check first checkbox, then later on other checkbox will be automatically get checked. Then later on you need to click on this proceed button. Here you will find one message, courses saved successfully, and this is for third semester. Since I am going to apply for second year, so I have found here is third semester. If you are a third year student, then you will find here fifth semester. Then scroll down this page. Later on you need to add next term courses, so click on this button. Again this radio button has already been checked as a medium of instruction English. Then later on you will find theory subject as well as practical subject of next term courses, so select initial checkbox and a later checkbox will be get automatically selected. Then click on further proceed button. So this is the fourth semester. If you are a third year student, then here you will find sixth semester subjects. So again click on proceed button. Then you can see your application status. Here you can find your form number, then your program name, date, and your status. Since my status is completed, so I can print my application form. To print application form, I will click on this print button. So this is my application form, and again here I will click on print application button. If you have a printer, you can print this application form. Here I will click on save button to save this form in a PDF format. Here I will write file name my university form, then I will click on save button. So this is my university form. I have saved as a PDF format. Then later on, if you are a Devgiri College student, you will have to visit Devgiri College website, that is devgiricollege.org. After coming to devgiricollege.org, here you can find one link which is present in red color, online admission and fees portal. You can click on this link. Then next you have to enter your enrollment number, that is Devgiri College enrollment number. Then here you need to enter your Aadhaar number. Here you need to enter your password. Your password is default 12345. This is your password that you need to enter over here. Then you can click on login. After clicking on login button, you will enter into your profile. So you will find your profile page. Here you can find the admission link. You can click on admission. Then you will get another admission for next year link. You will have to again click on this link. Then later you will get another link, that is next year admission form. So again you will have to click on this next year admission form link. After clicking on this link, you will find a new web page where your enrollment number has been mentioned. Then again you need to click on submit button. After clicking on submit button, initially you will find your surname, first name and basic details, and address, you will have to scroll down this page. You will have to select your religion. For example, here I am selecting religion as Hindu. Then you need to mention the category in this text field. Here for this student, category is AC BC. Then again in the caste section, you need to mention your caste. For example, if your caste is a Brahmin, then you can mention Brahmin as your caste. Here I am going to mention this student caste. Then here last year total marks. To enter last year total marks, you need to search your last semester mark sheet, where you will get last year total marks 700. Then at this text field, you need to enter your obtained mark. Here I will enter this student's marks, and later on you need to click on this percentage text field so that appropriate percentage will be get calculated automatically. Then later on at last, here you will get the link as a choose file to upload university admission form, that is I had earlier fill up. Then after clicking on choose file, you need to select your image file of university admission form and need to click on upload. Remember students, your image file of university admission form must be in the size of up to 200 KB or below 200 KB. If this size is exceeded or greater than 200 KB, then you will not be able to upload your image of university admission form into your profile. So keep in mind, your image file size must be either 200 KB or below 200 KB. Here I will click on this upload button. After clicking on upload button, you can scroll down this web page. Here you can find, after successful uploading of image file, your appropriate image file. Then you can click on submit button. In this manner you can submit your application, and for your reference again you can print your application form. You can save this application form in your desktop, laptop or your mobile. You can also download this guarantee letter. Then later on at background, your verification process will be commence, and after successful completion of your verification, you will get one SMS from college office department where your enrollment number will get mentioned and fees instruction will get mentioned. So after completing the online fees payment procedure, your admission will be confirmed in next year. So this is all regarding your admission, how you can take admission in next year. So thank you so much students for watching this video. If you have really liked this video, then you can thumbs up, you can click on like button, you can comment on this video, you can share this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.